guys, so we're drawing with my cousin. It's right here. So we're just on a sleepover right now. We're drawing right now. I'm just gonna let you do. Guys, this is my drawing. I know it's so ugly because it's so ugly. So guys, this is hers. It's not done yet. What are you doing? Watermelon. Yeah, so I'm doing cherry, it's obvious. So guys, I will text you to the next one because we're gonna draw and we will update you. Guys, just ignore everything right here. So guys, we didn't update you because we were filming the whole time. So guys, I think my drawing is like a kind of ugly. So look at my so guys, she will update. So guys, this is my drawing. It's still not done. Sorry if my voice is so soft because I'm a bit new here, right? Yeah, I'm a bit new here. It doesn't have color because so guys, this is our first time sleeping here. So guys, I was just not talking because I thought my cousin off the camera. So guys, I put it into 3 minutes because we need to take long. I guess we will take a part 2 for this night. Because on other video, we roller skated, so we cannot video again. So this is our first time sleeping here and my cousin is first time sleeping here. So we just go to the washroom and we just go up here. So we eat it ano ulit yan? Cheese stick. So guys, so guys, this is now my drawing. I'm almost done and the thing I only need is to sketch this and color it. That's all. So guys, see you in part 2. Bye bye. Hi.